Welcome back. It's time for sports.
As the wait continues for the official word from the Jamaica Football Federation re what possible sanctions Mount Pleasant FA could face for allegedly breaching Jamaica Premier League rules, TVJ Sports understands the league leaders have been found not guilty in relation to the case brought against them by Cavalier SC. TVJ Sports understands that Mount Pleasant are likely to escape points deduction following allegations of the use of ineligible players during 6 of their last 7 games in the Premier League. 1 week after the issue landed on the desk of Competitions Committee Chairman Gregory Daly, TVJ Sports has been informed that the St. Anne Club had not breached any competition or transfer rules in the registration of Haitian players Clifford Thomas, Judy Johnson, and Angelo Exelis. The case was brought against Mount Pleasant last Monday when Cavalier filed a complaint accusing them of breaching FIFA transfer rules by signing players outside the January window. According to the documents, the players were registered to Mount Pleasant between February 3 and 28, which falls outside of the January 31 deadline. TVJ Sports understands that among the documents submitted by Mount Pleasant FA in the process of registering the players was a letter from their previous team confirming the players were no longer under contract. Meanwhile, in relation to the players representing Real Hope in the CONCACAF Caribbean Cup and Champions Cup on February 4 and 11, it's understood the Competitions Committee is of the view this was a breach committed by the Haitian club Real Hope, who fielded the players despite them no longer being contracted to them. Mount Pleasant, however, could be found in breach of the competition's rules relating to Article 4A.7 of the JFL regulations, which states a maximum of 6 players of foreign nationality, including players eligible to play under CARICOM rules, may be registered for each club. All 6 players may be on the field of play at any given time. Should they be found guilty, they could face a fine of $25,000 for naming 7 non-nationals on their match card for their game against the Racing United on April 10. Jamaica's 2024 World Indoor 60-meter bronze medalist Akeem Blake has been ruled out of this weekend's World Athletics Relays in Guangzhou, China. This after the 23-year-old sprinter suffered what has been termed as a slight discomfort while placing 8th in the 200 meters on Saturday's 3rd and final day of the Grand Slam Track League meet in Miami. It's understood that an MRI scan showed that the reigning Diamond League 100-meter champion did not sustain any major injury, and as such, he has withdrawn from the World Relay squad out of an abundance of caution. With Akeem Blake being ruled out of Jamaica's sprint relay pool, it means the nation will now be represented by Olympic 100-meter silver medalist Kishane Thompson, Olympic double sprint silver medalist Johan Blake, Julian Fort, and former national champion Rohan Watson. Defending champions Jamaica's women have now suffered back-to-back defeats at the Cricket West Indies T20 Blaze competition after going down by 8 wickets to the Leeward Islands women in a rain-affected game on Monday. In a game reduced to 5 overs aside, Jamaica's women first posted 48 for 2. Chanel Henry top scored with 29 not out. In response, the Leeward's women got to their target at 52 for 2. Kiana Joseph cracked an unbeaten 43, inclusive of 3 fours and 3 sixes. Jamaica's women will next be in action on Wednesday when they face their Barbadian counterparts. And that is it for your midday sports roundup, and I am Jermaine Brown.
Thank you, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the News, Sports and Production teams, good afternoon.